Our Liana Golden continues, in fact, our team coverage on all of this with those important tips on how to protect yourself if the power goes out.
Well, our First Alert weather team is taking this cold very seriously, and so should you. I mean, these cold temperatures are one thing, but when you combine that with 40 to 60 mile-per-hour winds, the probability of power outages skyrockets. And if that happens, we want you to be prepared.
We are forecasting about 80,000 to maybe 125,000 outages to spread across all three regions, with the potential for slightly heavier impacts in Northern Virginia.
But just as we prepare, we also want our customers to prepare as well.
Pepco and Dominion both tell me they will have extra crews on the ground all weekend to respond to outages and damage like downed trees or power lines. And in terms of what you can do at home, officials recommend setting your thermostat to 68 degrees to save energy. Open your blinds during the day to let sunlight in and shut them at night to keep that warm trapped inside. Maybe even insulate your windows if you can, and have extra supplies on hand.
Have your emergency kit ready. Have your emergency supplies nearby, and that includes bottled water, non-perishable foods, flashlights, batteries, first aid kits, blankets, LED candles. I can go on, and important medications to have on hand.
Now, both companies tell me one of the most important things you can do if the power does go out is report it right away. That way they can respond and get the lights and heat back up and running as soon as possible. I've got the links and phone numbers you need posted online at WJLA.com. I'm Liana Golden, 7 News.